In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create payment links in GoHighLevel. To get started, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your main launchpad. This is your central dashboard where you can access all the core features of the platform. Once you're on the launchpad, look for the payments section. This is where GoHighLevel keeps everything related to collecting money from your customers, such as products, invoices, and of course, payment links. Go ahead and click on Payments. Inside this area, you'll see several tabs or options. Find and select the payment links section. This is the hub where all your existing payment links will be listed, and it's also where you'll create new ones. To create a new link, click on the button that says Create Link. This will open up a new screen where you can configure exactly how your payment link should work. In the product section, choose the product that this link is going to be used for. This might be a one-time service, a digital product, a subscription, or any item you've already set up in your products list. Selecting the right product ensures the correct price, description, and associated settings are used. Just below the product selection, you'll see several optional settings you can enable. Here, you can require customers to add a phone number, which is especially useful if you plan to follow up with them via text or calls. You can also choose to collect customer addresses, which is helpful for physical deliveries or detailed records. There's an option to allow coupon codes, so if you run promotions or discounts, make sure to enable that. You can also turn on redirection to a custom URL, so after someone completes their payment, they can be automatically sent to a thank you page, onboarding page, or any custom site you've prepared. Next, scroll down to the advanced options section. Here you can customize the call to action text on your payment button. Instead of just saying pay, you can make it more specific, like complete purchase or enroll now, depending on the context of your offer. Below that, you'll find your branding options. This is where you can control how the payment page looks, making sure it's consistent with your logo, colors, and overall style. You can also decide whether you want to include terms and conditions. If you have legal or refund policies, linking or displaying them here is a good idea. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a live preview of your payment page. As you adjust the product, options, advanced settings, and branding, this preview updates in real time, so you can immediately see what your customers will experience. Once everything looks good and you're happy with your configuration, click on Save. Confirm again by clicking Save to finalize your payment link. Your new link is now ready to share with customers, embed in emails, or add to your funnels and pages inside GoHighLevel.